Ah,
Good day. This is my SWOT analysis. First, my strength. My strength is adaptability, and as a student, na-adapt ko po ang new ideas and nagkakaroon po ako ng adjustment sa learning ko po and sa academic and personal growth ko po and communication skills. So, nagkakaroon po ako ng strong communication and mas na-enhance ko po ang collaboration and understanding in academic and social skills ko po. And to my weaknesses, my weaknesses is time management. As a student, naghalo-halo po ang work ko po and academic responsibility. So, nagre-result po to ng difficulty sa pag-manage ko po ng time as a person. Opportunity. So, from my opportunity, practical experience. So, as a working student, nag-provide po ito ng real experience and complement sa academic ko po. Sa knowledge and enhancement ng practical skills ko po. And skills development na nababalance ko po sa work and academics ko po. Kahit minsan na nahihirapan po ako at nawawalan na po yung personal life ko sa pagbabalance ng work and times and family po. Time family. Financial responsibility. So, natututo na po ako ng mag-budget po sa aking sarili para po pang bayad ko po sa tuition ko po and sa school and family and ayan po. So, for my threats, ito po yung academic overload. So, lagi ko pong try na mabalance yung work ko and ang aking study na minsan po na nagle-lead po ito ng papatong-patong na activities ko po. Limited time for personal life. So, yung sa work ko po and sa studies ko na nagle-lead po ito ng limited time for a relaxation and personal hobbies or sometimes a socializing ko po sa family ko. And yun lang po. Maraming salamat. Thank you.